Have you ever been confused about using the word gist? You're not alone. Using vocabulary accurately is crucial for Ielts. Today, we will clarify when to use gist in both academic and informal settings. Let's start by defining gist. Gist means the main idea or essence of something. It's important to grasp this concept for Ielts success. However, it's equally vital to understand how to use it appropriately. In academic writing, gist is used to summarize key points. Let's take a closer look. In your essay, if you're discussing a study, you might write, "The gist of the study indicates significant findings." Here, it's clear and succinct. Now, let's shift to informal conversations. In casual discussions, gist functions similarly. For instance, if a friend asks about a movie, you might say, "The gist is a love story with a twist." It's concise and relatable. Here's an example for clarity. Imagine reading an article. Finding the gist helps you understand the core message quickly. This still saves time, ensuring you retain essential information. Plus, it's a technique commonly tested in Ielts. Remember, using gist accurately boosts your vocabulary score. Misuse can lead to confusion or misinterpretations. Practice using it in both styles. To summarize, gist is vital in both academic and informal contexts. In academic writing, it summarizes key points. In informal settings, it captures main ideas conversationally. Mastering this word enhances your communication skills. Ready to elevate your Ielts preparation? Join our Transform Academy course for comprehensive insights. Click the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.